another video on the tractor. I just found it with the YouTube video. Shout out to Code Hunters X4 for helping me find it. Yeah, Roblox Master Guy, and for helping us find the semi-truck. We found the Humvee ourselves. Well, I've been having the Humvee before the map changed. I don't know why, but he just likes making it different colors. I mean, I do too, because this is just, no one knows this, and I put carbon on it. Put that on every vehicle. Go from the campsite. Pass through the water. Pass through the water, it's quicker. Well, now you're just going in a circle, which is going to make us slow down. Yeah. Oh, but those things are slow.
Yeah, but this one will go fast.
That one does not go fast. If you say so, Mr. American. But not in the water. Well, let's try it. Smart. Now, I'm going to spawn my favorite GT500. I don't know why I didn't use my bubblegum blue. Makes me taste bubblegum. The color? Oh yeah, the colors don't save on secret vehicles. It's that, you see that red house? So you pass through the water from campsite. And then when you find this red house, you see we're at the hay bales of the red house. We go down over here. Wait, I think I'm lost, bro. Oh, I think I gotta pass it up more. I think I need to go more forward. I think we lost it again. Found it! Pass up the red houses, guys. Pass up the red house. So you pass up the red house, and then you go to this other red house. They're like a copy. You then, when you pass through the copy, you go here into this water, and it's right here. It's a dusty old thing. I already claimed it, but I'm gonna do it for fun. I should show you guys, and I'm gonna spawn it for y'all. For proof. Now we have this one. Guys,
would you like to see us do a video where we transport all the vehicles in a public server?
You mean use every support vehicle?
Yeah, let's do that. Yeah, no, I mean every hidden vehicle. Guys, we're gonna keep the video going. I'm sorry if y'all don't like it, but I want to do something.
What do you want to do?
Customization.
Don't tell me you're going to customize the tractor of all things. Good.
I want to do a video where we transport something.
Shouldn't we do that in a different video?
Yeah.
Alright, bye guys. Say bye.
Bye.
Bye.